this is how your T2 Extreme machine will be arriving at your facility. First step will be unhooking these latches in order to open the lid to the container holding your T2. After opening up the traveling case, you'll see your T2 sitting in the bottom. Make sure before you remove the machine, you disengage the table clamps. This will just help you later on if you're doing this solo. I would recommend having 2 people lifting the machine, but 1 person should be able to do it fine. So when setting the machine up, you want to make sure you set this table mount right on the edge of your table, right there. You also want to make sure that your rollers are not touching the side of your table. When engaging the clamps, you'll have a little bit of adjustment here to lift up and down for different table width. And then after you have it there at a good position, you'll want to have a decent amount of force. And then come back through, lower the lock nut, and lock that down so it doesn't move on you. In the bottom of your traveling case, you'll notice you have a few items. You have a pack of Allen wrenches, a handle that will need to be installed in order to activate your weld rollers as well as your swing arm. You have your 1-inch hem guide as well as your 1-inch weld, 3-inch pocket guide. On the back of your machine, you'll see a tapped hole. This is where the handle goes for your swing arm. When you lower the handle halfway, you will notice the weld rollers pinch close. If you go the full way, it then engages the swing arm to swing in between the weld rollers. The power for this machine is 120 volts with 20 amps. These 2 shafts are your guide mounts. As you see in your guide, you have 2 sets of holes. These shafts will go right through these holes and your guide will pop right into position.